So here I need a sander, particularly a sander that is a power tool sander or a power sander, and I need them in 800 grit. Now I have a big sander, but they're a little too big, so I'm trying to make a small one. And here's a small DIY that I came up with to use a drill and those hooks that allow you to use your drill as a power sander. Now, I know you could buy them, but yeah, I could just make one too. So just need 4 little cardboards here. I'm just gluing these two here and then making a hole. Now the hole is the size of the diameter of the head of the screw. So let's just do that, and yeah, clean that up a little bit. Now another hole in another small cardboard box. Once that is done, you just kind of center that with that and glue it on there. And then I'm just drawing a circle on the top part, and then yeah, and here they are attached together. And then now you have your screw, and you just screw it through the small hole and just tighten that up to keep it in place, of course. And yeah, and then now you need another cardboard, and you put that on top where the head of the screw is and glue that together like so. Once that's done, you go ahead and cut the circle that you drew, and you will have a circular thing with a screw on it. Then you just also glue the sandpaper on top of that cardboard like so, and you go ahead and also just cut that in shape. There you go, and now you have a power sander tool. Yay!